First product sold, first sale.
And Mona, how does it feel to be an entrepreneur?
It's a bit stressful, but I'm so excited!
In the first day of Architecture Freak. Hello everybody!
Hello!
This is Mona, my girlfriend. Yes sir. And I'm Buchan. Hello, welcome back to a new video. I am a clothing brand owner, have been owning my clothing brand for the past 4 years already. And now my girlfriend has also started something of a clothing brand. Can you explain to the guys real quick what you've done?
So I have an account on Instagram, Architecture Freak. We just hit 100k, which is really cool. And to go with that, I wanted to release some products. So I have an architecture hoodie and an architecture tote bag.
Alright, let's show them real quick.
The hoodie is here. We also made it in light blue.
Yes
with
sir,
the wash
check it
effects,
out. With the details.
the logo, the quotes.
Very thick cotton, very good quality. Yes sir.
Yep.
And also the tote bag.
Full of stuff right now because we're traveling.
Yes. We're now in Portugal.
This is the tote bag, shoulder bag as well.
So yeah, we released these two products together because of course architecture students need to carry stuff around all the time. So we made a tote bag and a hoodie just to get comfy, you know. A hoodie is always a good product to release. And actually we're gonna drop them tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go to another house and we're gonna drop the architecture products. So very exciting. Mona's first drop ever. And we dropped some stuff previously, but this is the first real drop.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna get it.
Very hyped. We'll explain our drop strategy in another place.
Let's get it. Yo guys, we are now in beautiful Parque do Torrel. Yes sir, in Lisbon. I'm gonna show you real quick the views. And right now we'll explain to you guys the strategy we used to make sure Mona's first drop is gonna be a big success.
Okay, so the game plan is first we did a giveaway, 2 reels, and I gave away 2 bags in one video and 1 hoodie in another video. That was to create a bit of hype.
Monica, what are you doing?
So I'm editing the video of my giveaway. Final review.
Okay. Yes, let's post it in the plane. Let's go. Post that stuff.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of the aircraft.
And also we made an email list which they could subscribe to. Dangerous.
Yeah.
Also.
Okay, we're back. So the first strategy, as Mona said, was a giveaway. And why did we do a Reels giveaway, you may ask? Because I always do the normal Instagram post giveaways. That's because Mona's page totally blew up because of Reels. So all her followers are used to her making Reels. So making a post would be kind of random because she never makes posts. So that's why we decided to do the giveaway in a Reel.
Yep.
Alright, Mona, what's the second tactic we used to make your brand blow up?
So Elijah set up a beautiful website, which is
Shopify.
very clean. And on that website, I put it in my bio, they could enter their email to get notified when we drop. So we built an email list, a list of like 500 people already, so that's crazy.
And we also said to the people that if they put in their email, they could get 10% off.
Yeah.
And also they got notified, so people were like incentivized to put in their email because having an email of people is very important, can be very game changing, because if you have an email you go from a borrowed person to an owned person. Because if you totally rely on Instagram, then Instagram, the algorithm can change and then people can't really see your content anymore, or if like posts don't get as much views anymore because reels come out or something like this, then people don't see your content as much. So that's why emails are so important, because if you have someone's email you actually own the customer for their entire life, except if, of course, customers if they decide to unsubscribe for an email list. But if you just send nice emails and don't spam them, they'll probably stick with you forever. So guys, having an email is so very important, and I really only knew that like in 1 year ago. So if I knew it earlier, I probably would have focused more on email. Okay, next tactic.
So we made it a pre-order because it was kind of hard to guess how many people would buy the products, and that way we could just order how many there were sold, which is very handy. So they'll have to wait a bit longer, but it's just much more convenient for me and us.
Yes, sir. Because if you guys didn't know what pre-orders are, there's like a difference with pre-made or pre-order. Pre-made is that you have the products already in hand and you're gonna ship them immediately when the product gets sold. And then pre-order is that you like make it once the customer bought the item, which can be handy in this situation when we couldn't really guess how many there would be sold. And also if you don't have like a lot of money yet to spend on your brand, if you're like starting off like some of you guys, then you probably want to do a pre-order first. Customers don't really like it because it takes longer, but in the beginning it's just necessary to grow a brand. For example, these shoes, the Moonlight Bunks, were the first shoes were pre-order because I didn't have like 20k to spend on shoes, and also because I didn't know how much they would get sold. But now I just bought 500 pairs of them to sell this summer, so that's a pre-made drop.
Which is very handy starting out, because then the customer has already paid and then you have money to order the
Exactamundo. But Monica, how did your page blow up? Spill your secrets.
I started 1 year ago when I started uni. I started studying architecture and I wanted to make an archive of like buildings and architects I liked. So yeah, I started making videos that I liked. And people like them as well.
That's an understatement, Monica. You got 3 million views.
So the first year was like kind of calm. I mostly posted it on TikTok, and then I think last summer I started posting on Instagram as well. And now in half a year we hit 100k, which is crazy. Just make videos you like, I guess. And if you like it, maybe other people like it as well.
I think that's a really good quote.
And don't make the videos too long.
No, don't yap like we are doing.
Make it quick.
So Mona, what do you think the future of Architecture Freak, your page, would look like? With the products, with everything you want to do? What do you want to do? What are your big dreams for it?
I think I want to continue making products that relate to architecture. So we have a few products that we're working on right now. Right now we're making keychain measuring tape. So you have like something to measure stuff. We'll be checking them out soon because we ordered them, but we haven't seen them in real
Here's
life.
a little video.
So I want to make really small products as the keychains, and then also make some bigger products like architecture tables, like drawing tables. And then maybe some collabs or something, I don't know. It's a big surprise to me too. I don't know.
All right, Monica. And how much money do you think you can make of our Architecture Freak in like a month, each month?
It will depend on the drops and maybe some other things I will do on my account, but 2k would be nice.
2k a month?
Yes, sir.
I think you got a dream big, girl. I think we can make like 10k to 100k easy.
I mean, in a matter of time, yes, but for now, I'd be happy with 2k.
All right. I think we should make a video in half a year, in like December or something, October, November, December, something like that.
Make
and
an
then
update.
make an update video. Give 100 likes on this video for an update video, and then we will spill all the tea with you guys, show exactly how much we made with Architecture Freak.
Spill some secrets.
Exactamundo, all our tactics, all Mona's tactics go viral on our TikTok videos and all that. Alright guys, we'll make sure the website looks good for tomorrow, so all the people will check out the Architecture Freak drop. And we'll send the mail and all the stuff. So tomorrow is the drop and we'll take you guys with it. Alright Mona, transition to the next shot.
Yes, Monica, 1 minute. Because this is online right now. Mail is sent now.
Yes! whoop. Elijah has just sent a mail to the 600 email subscribers we already collected.
Already 2 people added it to cart.
Oh my god, what?
22 people are on the site right now. How is the site looking on phone?
Wat moet ik zeggen op mijn...
Oh, that's my fucking phone.
Ja.
Where's your link in bio and all that? Okay.
Wat
Cool.
make her see?
29 people on the website right now. First product sold, first sale, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. To Belgium. You got a first order, Monica?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, 5 people checking out right now. No, oh, eerste hoodie being sold. First hoodie.
Oh,
Let's go.
Jacques.
USA.
Jacques, Shita.
Woo.
The USA just bought a black hoodie.
Yes, sir.
So good.
Amazing. Okay, Mona, what you gonna do now?
Now I'm gonna send DMs to all the people who have left doors on my story. Because these were all people that were excited to buy some hoodies.
Exactly.
So I'm sending them a quick DM to tell them that it's online.
Yes, sir. And quick update: there are 10 people checking out right now, and 4 people already bought a hoodie or a bag. So it's going pretty well. In 8 minutes. That's pretty nice, Monica. That's pretty nice. And Mona, how does it feel to be an entrepreneur?
It's a bit stressful, but I'm so excited!
Look at this map, looking blue as fuck. Spin around, Monica. Here, America. Oh, hey, you just got an order to here. Let's go.
Scooter? It's the moment!
What? 1K! In the first day of Architecture Freak. Congrats, Monica! Yes sir guys, I'm back at the Buchan office right now. Mona's first drop went really well. It's sold out actually. And here we have some future products as an architecture keychain. We're working on a bunch of other stuff right now. But if you want an update video, make sure to get this video to 100 likes down below. And while you're down there, make sure to subscribe as well and check out Mona's website. And if you want to start a brand, make sure to check out this video right here where I made my first million and explain exactly how I did it. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.